Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
That's why every time when they do this political thing, like I always exempt myself when it's election period because I try not to influence people's votes. I don't want to, because I don't even trust this guy. I'm not gonna go and stay and say, yo, please come and vote for this guy to be president when I don't know if he's gonna change anything. I wouldn't do that. I always step aside, but now it's too sad. We can't step aside anymore. We need answers. We need conversations. The president should speak to the people. Speak to the people. That sometimes communication helps. People are sad, people are hungry, man.
Hi guys, yes, Wizkid is in the news. Ayodeji Balogun, aka Wizkid, is in the news, and what does he have to say? He's talking about all these politics of the thing, and they say this is the time, it's high time we open up. It's high time the president speak to the people. So he said he doesn't want to say anything concerning politics, as he doesn't want anything that will say that will influence vote for anybody. So that's what he has to say. You can listen to him to hear what he has to say about the politics of Nigeria. Thank you.